Your windows aren't leftover potato salad, so why are you wrapping them in cheap plastic every winter? Look, window insulation film is a good idea in theory, but Energy Star rates it 2 out of 5 stars in terms of energy efficiency. Would you eat at a restaurant that got 2 out of 5 stars? Or drive a car with a 2-star safety rating? Plus, insulating film requires monk-like patience to install. It looks like crap and is useless if your kid plays with it. Honestly, if your windows are so drafty that you're resorting to plastic wrap every winter, it's time to replace them. At the Men with Tools, we created the ThermaLast window. It's custom designed to be literally 15 times more airtight than any other window. The result? No drafts, no wrapping your windows like leftover potato salad.